Hi guys, my name is Jenna. Today I'm gonna make strawberry smoothies. First, we need to get the strawberry. Oh, I found one strawberry. And where's the blueberry? Full? Now we got 4 blueberries. Okay, Mama. We need 1 more strawberry. With a blueberry. Done? Okay, guys. We got our strawberries. And then we're gonna pour into this cup. And now we pour our milk. Mama, can you pour the milk? I think we have to do some teamwork. I love milk. The cup's so full. Stop! Then pour it into the cup. And now we get the honey. I can open the lid. Wow, still full. Time to do the mixing. Time to do the scooping. First we gotta wait until it stops dripping. Still dripping, Mama. 1 scoop. 2 scoops. It's getting really tasty, but we haven't made the strawberry smoothie. Okay, guys, the honey is enough. But Mama, we need some tissue, some extra tissue, because the honey is heading for the floor. It tastes, Mama, it tastes like honey milk mixture. Tasty. And it's fresh and free, so it's cold. It's so delicious. Now we got to blend it up, guys. First, we put the spoon. Mama, the honey dropped on the floor. Okay, guys, we're ready to make our smoothie. What's button? Power button? Yes. Mama, press the power button. Done? So fun! Done? Stop! Done? Flip. We're gonna put it here. Our strawberry smoothie's done! I'm so excited to drink it! Done? Done. We're gonna get first round. Mama, I need some tissue! Okay, thanks. Phew! This is the It isn't working. Yay! We're made! Okay, guys, it's ready. Let me taste it. Cheers! Put it lower.
How is it? Okay. Is it yummy? Yeah. Can you taste the honey?
It tastes like flowers.
Is it?
Alright guys. See you next time. My cup is glowing. Cheers. Kalau ada yang teriak-teriak pusing. I love strawberries.
What score?
9.
Yay, teamwork!